Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is shards. Shards. As always, let's line up the letters S, H, A, R, D, S and refine the corresponding Morse codes. Okay, we start with S, which is this. Tap, tap, tap. S, tap, tap, tap. Then H is here. You tap 4 times. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Then A is here. Tap, long press. Tap, long press. Then R is here. Tap, long press, tap, tap, long press, tap. Then D is here. Long press, tap, tap, long press, tap, tap. Then S again, which is tap, tap, tap 3 times. Let us get the phone and we put in this Morse code. As always, click here on the second item, which is Daily Cipher, and let us put in the Morse code. We start with S. We tap 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then H, we tap 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then A, tap, long press. Then R, tap, tap. Oh, the screen. Okay, let us try again. Let us try again. Tap, tap, tap. That's S. H, tap, 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 tap. Then A, tap, long press. Whoa, what's wrong with the screen today? Tap, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. H. Then A, long press. Then R. Then D. Then S. 1, 2, 3. As simple as that, and the word is shards. Let us click on take the prize and you'll be good to go. That's today's daily cipher word. Peace. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.